Do you like to earn $600 per month in free PayPal money fast in 2021? Yeah, this is the make money from home opportunity that I am going to reveal in this video that you can just watch and learn and do as I say you to do, and you can earn a decent amount of money every month without any problem. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from Money Honey. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, without further ado, let's jump back into actions. The site that I have to show you that can make you more than $600 or less or more. You can spend more time, you can earn more money, and you can earn less as well. But the site that I have to show you today is called Pydera.com. Yes, this is Pydera.com. Turn your time into money. They are a solid, proven site that pays you and that pays thousands of users every time. You just go over to their websites and you can see that the things I like about this website is they have lots of tasks to complete, unlimited tasks you can do in this website to earn money. And they have some great inviting friends feature, which is referral, and also they do not delay about their payments. They are instant about their payment every time. They have lots of offers like sign up task. You can just sign up to various type of offers and subscribe to various type of companies, and you can earn decent amount of money every time. But if you want some other ways, you can do surveys as well. They have thousands of surveys every day. They update into their websites, and you can also earn money just by creating videos. Yeah, they have a very unique feature, that is you just make tutorial videos about their sites or anything like that, and you can definitely earn money from that. And also the referral or invite friends is also a good way to earn. And you can also, the fifth way is just posting articles or reviews or post about these websites into various social media and forums, and you can get a handsome amount of money by doing that. And all it takes is all these available worldwide. You can work from anywhere in the world and it's working, and it's a paying site. You can see that they have almost hitting 1 million members right now, 930,000 members, and they have already completed like more than almost 8 million tasks. And paid out, Payera paid to their members is like 1.5 million. So this is really old and really good sites that pays every time you complete any task and without any worries. So you just click on check proofs and reviews, or you can check it here. It will show all the reviews and proofs that Pydera pays all time and without any problem. You can see that these are all latest update payment proofs, and you can see that people's from everywhere, every country getting paid, getting their screenshots uploaded. They are happy, and you can see, you can watch, and you can do that as well. And this also gives you a heads up that this site is a trusted site without any worries. You can just log in, sign up, and confirm your email, and you can start doing tasks and earn money as well. So all it takes is just click on this create an account here. You just click on this button and it will show the simple form like this, and you can just input your name, username, email, passwords, and it's simple form. Just hit the sign up and create my account button, and you're good to go with Pydera. You just confirm your email and you're good to go, and you will go into your dashboards like this. And when you log into your account, it will show something like this: your total earning and your referral link and all the things you can do in the left side menu. So this is, guys, This is a really cool site. If you are liking this video, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always stay with my channel with my videos. So let's move on to the earning method. In the left side you can see that they have video tutorials. These are the tutorials. You can just click on it, it will show all the videos that people are making, and here it is the submit video link. You just click it and you create a simple Pydera tutorial video or any review video about Pydera and upload it to them, and you can earn a decent amount of money by doing that. And then in the micro task sections, they have hundreds and thousands of micro tasks every time uploaded every day. You can find more tasks. You just go over to micro task and complete those tasks, and you can definitely earn more than $10 every day without any problem from even micro tasks. And the task sections, these are the offer sections, and these are the companies. You can see that Offer Toro, AdGet Rewards, Personally, KiwiWall, Wanna Ads, all these are really top tier service provider, top tier offer provider that can give you lots of money daily by just sign up offer or some subscriptions offer. You do a simple 2 to 5 minute task and you will make a hands up amount of money. And also in the bottom they have survey sections, and you can do surveys already. You can just spend 5 to 10 minutes every per survey and you can earn decent amount of money. In combination of total, you can definitely make a good amount of money. They are in trusted sites. This site is listed in Trustpilot. If I just go over to Trustpilot, you can see that they have 4.7 rating. For reviews, they have more than 4,000 reviews, and this is a great site. For 4,000 reviews, getting 4.7 rating is a really good rate for a site to work with. So this is a trusted site. You can expect to earn like around $20 if you just spend some times every day regularly. Be active, be attentive. You can definitely earn around $20 every day without any problem. You can just go over to this sites, log in daily, and just complete some tasks every day. Do not miss a day. Then you can definitely earn $20 every day. If you just earn $20 every day in combinations in a month, you can reach $600 mark without any problem. That is why I told you you can earn $600 per month with these websites without any problem. Trust me, you just believe me, you just log in, sign up, and do your work every day. You can definitely earn $600 from Pydera every month without any problem. All it takes is just you have to be active, and then money will follow you. So this is guys, this is end. I see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.